Yo guys, today I'm showing how to create a DocuSign template. So first to get your DocuSign account and head over to this button, easy template on your own dashboard. Click on it, and for the template you can choose all templates here to both go into your templates or my templates. I'm gonna stick with my templates. You can also, for example, choose purchase order sales contract template. For example, we're going to select sales contract. Add selected, and this template can be created on your DocuSign page. In case you can view this template you just created. So, add your recipes, upload extra files, add the message, and add links and then send. And in this way, you created a fully template and DocuSign. If you want to more how to videos and guides, please consider to subscribe to our channel.